Okay, then for part C, part C strictly follow the linear progression of the article. For example, paragraph A will almost universally correlate with the first set of the items. So if I am looking at the question 1 for the part C, so my answer is in the paragraph A. And if I am looking in the question 2, so my answer will be in paragraph B. If I am looking at the question 3, so my answer will be in paragraph C. So it follow the exact order of the paragraph follow exact orders of the question. They must work systemically down the page. Then there are some linguistic shifts. They can completely invert, restrict, or qualify the clinical perspective presented by the author. Student must actively highlight transition markers that indicate contrast, concession, or amplification. For example, maybe it is written nasogastric tube was previously recommended. However, because of some of the complications, so now physician don't recommend it. So see, in the previous sentence, it was written NG was previously recommended. However, because of some complications, some physicians not prefer it. So after these words, however, despite, although, in contrast, on the other hand, the idea is completely changed. So if you are not reading it carefully, and maybe you are focusing on the previous sentence, and after these connecting words, so the idea has been changed. So it is very important you read the whole idea what they are asking. And then when there are words furthermore, moreover, in addition, consequently, so these are actually they actually amplify the idea, or they make addition to the previous one. If there are words like however, despite, although, in contrast, on the other hand, so with these words idea is going to change. But if there are words furthermore, moreover, in addition, consequently, so it is addition to the previous idea, or it is an amplification. For example, we can say Mrs. Sharma, she was diagnosed with diabetes in 1990. Furthermore, she has a family history of diabetes. Moreover, her mother died of diabetic ketoacidosis. In addition, there is her brother. He has a maturity onset diabetes of young. So see, with these words, so the same idea of the diabetes, like it is actually amplifying the idea. So it is prevalent in her family. It is she has a strong family history, and then there are deaths because of the diabetes. So it is the same idea, but there is an amplification of the idea, or there is an addition information. So is this concept clear to you?
जी ये हो गया।
Okay, so now the more